Mommy's a Chef, and today I'm gonna do something really special with you guys. I've been planning on this, and I have this 7-day vegan challenge, and I know vegan could be pricey, so I wanted to keep it under $100, and I'm gonna give you meals for 7 days for 4 people. So it's pretty good, and I actually shop all organic. I know different stores are different and prices are different throughout the country, throughout the world. So I know it's pretty pricey, but I live in LA and I did buy all organic. So, and I also included breakfast. I'm gonna take you shopping with me. I gather, let's say I bought 3 red bell peppers. I'm gonna use them all throughout the recipes. I bought lentils. I'm gonna use 2 lentils in 2 dishes for the pasta and for a dal. So I give you really healthy recipes that are going to keep you full. I know the biggest struggle for me when I go vegan is that I've been super hungry. So I really want to keep you full. And I've developed this recently. I try these recipes. I actually posted some of them on my Instagram and people really love them. It's a treat. So hopefully you guys can enjoy it. Get healthy. Vegetables are life. Hopefully this helps you, helps your family. I'm also going to give you some YouTubers that I really like and their recipes, just in case there's a recipe that you don't like of mine. And you can go to them. Also for lunches, throw in a peanut butter and jelly, you're good, right? Or you can have leftovers, say the chili. I'm gonna make a chili. You can make a chili burrito. I bought tortillas and so on. So it's gonna go further, you know? Love you guys very much. Oh, disclaimer, I am not vegan. I'm not 100% vegan. So I go vegan in and out. And so I don't want to be here to stop. On all my other recipes. Cook for 7 days. Come join me every day and we're gonna cook together and enjoy these recipes. This will get $100, will get you. So let's go shopping. We're here. I'm super nervous. I don't know why. Maybe because I'm filming. But I brought my mic. Hopefully you can hear me through the mask because I really want to talk to you. I'm gonna sneak it in underneath my sweatshirt and hopefully they don't think I'm crazy. Okay, zucchinis to my chili, and they're like $3. You can buy regular if you want to. And then I'm gonna add some broccoli for my soup, and then some cremini mushrooms. They're like almost $3 for my sauce, tomato sauce. It's all gonna make sense, trust me. 1 bag of onions, and that's $2.79. Garlic, $1.40. For pasta, you can go with whatever you like. I like spaghetti, but I also like something for my minestrone. Obviously, you can go with gluten-free if you like, whatever you want. 1 tomato paste, that has a ton of flavor. And I'm gonna go with these for my chili. Let's go with the mac and cheese. Should we go with the rigatoni? Yeah, let's go with the rigatoni. Let's take 2 of these, 1 for my sauce and 1 for my dal. Okay, lentils, $1.60, perfect. Okay, potatoes are gonna be your best friend because they're gonna keep you full. So cumin's gonna give you a ton of flavor. So happy they carry it now. Turmeric, red bell peppers, 3, an eggplant. So only $1. That was awesome. So you want to pick a light one. The lighter the eggplant, the less seeds it has. Some white beans for my minestrone and red. So they're only like $1. Pick up 1 extra for the chili and then add a black, but I have some black at home. Let's get some of these so we can have some for like lunch and stuff. They have the black beans, they're up there. We're gonna have 2 of those for the chili. They were carrying chili, but they don't have it. So I'm just gonna deduct it. Now, very important when you're vegan, you need nutritional yeast. Ooh, they raised the price. Okay, so I'm gonna grab 1 of these. It makes things cheesy and it's perfect for mac and cheese. I'm going with canned things, but you can use regular tomatoes and things if your budget allows it, of course. I'm not buying any because they're seasoned. They're out of season and it tastes horrible right now. So a great way to incorporate really good flavors is fresh basil. So it's $4 right now. Okay, so we'll add 1 of those. Let's do a breakfast recipe. So we're gonna do some tofu. So eggs and chorizo. Oh, they're gonna be bomb. You can make tacos or burritos, so whatever you want. I made these for my husband. He had no idea they were vegan. He was like, no way. I was like, yep. I like to add some quinoa for my chili. You can do rice, or let's do both. You can serve your potatoes on chili or rice. I like rice, and then I like to put quinoa inside my chili. I'm gonna deduct the rice because I have like a whole thing of rice in my house. How much was it? $3.50. I like to not cook with too much oils, but if you do, This would be a great place to buy it because they have great prices. Let's go with some baby spinach. It is $2. Let's do some breakfast too. Let's go with blueberries. So they're $3. They're organic. Let's get some raspberries too. Raspberries are almost 4. Let's see, frozen fruit food. Oh my god, this is so good. We can make a fried rice with this. And that it's only $3. Oh, I'm gonna go get more soy. I'm gonna do a cheat meal, so if you don't want to cook or partially cook, we're gonna grab these. And those are $4. It's not gonna be a cheat meal. Is just not meaning that it's bad for you. It's just gonna be that it's gonna be fast. So let's find a cheap tomato sauce. Oh, perfect. I'm gonna do this now. Let's get some peas, raw cashews. So I'm gonna just take the pieces because they're $1 less than these. I'm gonna blend them anyways. This is for my mac and cheese and for my cashew milk. Forget the berries. I'm gonna do something to keep you warm, and you want cinnamon. So in the morning, it's gonna keep you warm, and we're gonna do like a bag of apples, which is only like $3 or $2. If you want to see the berry oatmeal that I do, and then I have a black forest one too. This is delicious. Ooh, should we do the chocolate one? I have it on my Instagram, so go there and check it out. The recipe is amazing, so good. It's a black forest cherry oatmeal. Oh my god. I also have peaches and cream. What else can we make? Yes, for the burritos. Or you can do tacos. It's only $1. Avocado toast. So get a baguette. Breakfast is something I always have for breakfast anyways. So they're $3.50 for like 4. And you can add everything but the bagel. Amazing. I love it. Ooh, if you're not into avocado, you can do bagels and cream cheese. I have a cream cheese, vegan cream cheese. This is for my cheat meal. Not cheat like, you know. But they were done. Amazing. Oh, I can't wait. So, see how much it is. Hopefully it's under 100. We're at 47. 98, 45. Yay! We did it! Oh my god! Okay, I can't believe it. So all we're missing is the chili spices, but that's like $2, and so is the rice, so it would have been like $102. Yay! I know the prices they like are different from places to places. For us, Trader Joe's is a lot cheaper than other place. You can do other places too, so. And I live in LA, so it's pretty expensive, you know. I'm nervous about filming in there. I was nervous about, because I don't really care what people think, or else I wouldn't be doing YouTube. But I was nervous about the outcome of how much everything was gonna be. I was kind of scared. I don't know, like, because I've done the math before, and it was under, and I wanted to do like lunches. So we're just doing breakfasts and dinners. Subscribe and share with who wants this challenge. We can do it together. Okay? Try to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys like tomorrow for 7 days. 7 days. Think with me.